How to delete TripAdvisor account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually delete your TripAdvisor account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your TripAdvisor account, all you have to do is first of all open the TripAdvisor app, and then you'll see this type of interface where you need to tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, over here you'll find the option called Preferences, which you see over here. Tap on Preferences, and then at the very top you'll find the option called Account Info. Tap on Account Info, it will directly take you to the account information page. So under Account Info, if you actually scroll down all the way to the bottom, you might see this little pop-up that says close your account. Now, it's in a very small text. I'm sure you'll be able to see it once you come to this option. Just tap on this close your account button here, then it will directly take you to the next page where it is going to ask you a couple of questions as to why you want to delete your account and what are some of the steps that you can do. So just select why do you want to go ahead and delete your account. Just select the reason, then just tap on the option called close my account over here, and then your account will be successfully deleted. And this is simply how you can close your TripAdvisor account and then delete them. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.